Installation process of 3 rear extremely narrow sliding window. Step 1. Recheck the size of the wall hole. Step 2. Recheck the size of the window frame. Before installation, we need to check whether the accessories of the sliding window are all ready. We also need to check whether there is a waterproof rubber pad at the splicing. Before the window frame being placed into the wall hole, sprinkle water around the window frame and dab it with pure cement mortar to increase the adhesion of cement mortar in the later stage. After placing the window frame into the wall hole, use an air cushion and a wooden tape to fix the window frame initially. Make sure the upper end of the window frame are fitted to the upper end of the wall hole, and then we lever it into position with an infrared lever. Next, we need to use the explosive bolts to fix the window frame to the wall either side and also at the bottom and the top. Once it's fixed into place, we are going to put cement mortar all the way around the gap, right the way around the window to make it airtight. It is forbidden to use expansion foams in order to avoid water leakage in the later stage. After cement is completely dry, we need to pull out the fixed wooden tip. Fill the gap with cement again, and then waterproof the external wall carefully. Before installing the fixed glass, we need to check whether the external pressure sealing strips are tightly attached, and use structural adhesive to seal the joints of the window frame and make it waterproofed. And then we need to place a glass spacer on the glass slot. After bonding the fixed glass and the external pressure strips, we apply waterproof glue according to this gesture to complete the waterproof treatment. To prevent water leakage in the later stage, we use rubber plugs after fastening the crimping line to completely fit the fixed glass and the external pressure strips. Before assembling the upper rail, we need to install the water retaining edge outward. When installing the high and low track sliding window, the first track sash needs to be installed from outside to inside, and the second track sash and the third track window screen need to be installed from inside to outside. After sliding window is installed, we need to make a push-pull test on sashes and the window screen, and then check if it works smoothly. If not, adjust the lower wear in the upper wear into place. After this, we need to perform switch detection on the split lock and check whether the gap at the closing point is too large. If it's too large, we need to use a screwdriver to fine-tune it. After it's completed, we will close it again to test whether there is a gap. This window is installed with a Bogle automatic child safety lock. After it, the keys must be handed over to the owner to avoid omissions. When assembling the cover line, you need to insert the aluminum corner code into the cover line first. Please ensure that the corners are flat and the gaps are even. Then we should fix the P-shaped strip along to the window frame. It is necessary to distinguish the front and the back of the strip before installing the P-shaped strip. After it is fixed, we should fit the cover line with the strip completely, and the corners should be flat. Then, the whole set of sliding windows installation is finished.